students, we are continuing lesson number 8, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, last time we discussed about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software, children, used for making a presentation. It is a part of Microsoft Office package, just like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. ये Microsoft Office का सूट का पार्ट है, पैकेज का पार्ट है. It is a software that enables us to create effective presentation. We can add text, pictures, sounds, animations, diagrams in our presentation to make it more effective. हम अपने presentation में text को add कर सकते हैं, audio, video, graphs, charts, tables add कर सकते हैं. And a presentation is a PowerPoint file that is a collection of slides. Slide is a page in a presentation. It presents the information when we communicate with other peoples. Now we will understand that how we start the PowerPoint. Children, to start the PowerPoint, we just double click the icon of PowerPoint that is on the taskbar or desktop. Also, we can just click on the start button, all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Using these steps, we can start the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, when we start the PowerPoint program, a blank presentation appears on the screen and we can do our work. Now we have also discussed components of PowerPoint interface windows like title bar. Title bar is a topmost bar. It shows the name of presentation and name of software. Children, presentation means PowerPoint file. Quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is just located to the left side of the title bar, children, and the command that we use a lot, regularly used, we place their icons on the quick access toolbar. We can add the icons, we can remove the icons. हमें जो भी कमांड सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करने होते हैं हम उनको उनके आइकन को क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार पर प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Ribbon is just top of the document area and ribbon has a tabs, children. When we click on a tab, we see different groups are coming and commands are organized as a button on a group. We can use the buttons. Slide tab. Children, PowerPoint interface has a two parts, left part, right part. So slide tab is located to the right side, left side, and when we click on the slide tab, it shows a thumbnail view of all the slides. Small view of all the slides are there. We can add slides from this view. We can just delete the slides. We can rearrange the slides in the slide tab. Outline tab. Children, outline tab shows the text content of each slide. It never shows other objects. Other objects means pictures, tables, word art, like that. Slide area or slide pane. As I told you, PowerPoint has a two part, left part, right part. So children, slide area is in the right side of the window. It shows the active slide and we can easily work with the slide. We can add contents, we can delete contents, we can edit the contents of the slides. Status bar. A horizontal bar just bottom of the document area is known as a status bar, children. It shows slide number, themes. It has also options like zoom option, view options to change the view of presentation. File tab. Children, this menu is used to create a new presentation. We can open an existing presentation with the help of file tab. We can save and print our presentation. If you want to close the PowerPoint presentation, we can use close option from the file tab. Notes pane. Children, just below the slide pane there is a notes pane area where we can write personal notes regarding the slide. अगर हमें किसी भी स्लाइड से रिलेटेड कुछ नोट्स लिखने हैं तो हम नोट्स पेन का यूज़ करते हैं. Children, whatever we write in notes pen never shows during the slide show of the presentation. It only used by presenter. Zoom slider and zoom button. Children, zoom slider or zoom button is used to change the magnification of the presentation. Now, to create a blank presentation, what we have to do, suppose we are working in a presentation, Now we want to start a new blank presentation. Then we will just come to the file tab. When we click on a file tab, children, there are so many options. We click on the new option, and when we click on a new option, right side templates and blank presentation will come. We will select the blank presentation option and we will click on the create button. A blank presentation comes with default settings, text color, text, like that. Now children, by default the slide layout is a title slide layout. Layout means how the objects will placed on the slide. Text, picture, bulleted list, like that. So to change the layout we use layout button. It is on the slides group of home tab. हम इसकी हेल्प से स्लाइड का लेआउट चेंज कर सकते हैं. सपोज टाइटल जो है हमें टॉप पे नहीं चाहिए, लेफ्ट साइड में चाहिए. पिक्चर जो है हमें राइट साइड में चाहिए, तो वी कैन जस्ट चेंज द लेआउट. Suppose we want that bulleted list should be come to the right side and title should be come to the left side. We can just select some different layout. If we have to compare two objects, yeah, we have to compare two definitions, so we can use some other layout. So children, layouts are there, we can select and we can use, and if we want we can use our own layout by selecting blank layout option. So children, as we click on a layout button, we see different types of layouts will come, like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, etc. So we can select any layout and change the layout for our slide. Now children, once we have inserted a slide, we have to add the text. To add the text, we simply click on the text that is coming, type your text, and we see the placeholder will come. Placeholder is a dotted rectangular box that comes, and when we click on it, click on the text, cursor will come in the placeholder. We will type our text and then we click outside of the placeholder. So this way we can add text to the slide. Thank you.